The Clean Air Act is a federal law in the United States that sets air pollution standards and provides funding for states to combat air pollution. The Clean Air Act was first introduced in 1963 by President John F. Kennedy, who was motivated by the increasing awareness of the dangers of air pollution, especially in urban areas. The act also introduced new technologies for monitoring and controlling air quality, some of which are still in use today. In 1970, it was amended to include protection from emissions from automobiles and other sources. In 1990, it was amended again to address acid rain and ozone depletion as well as toxic air emissions such as those from industrial plants. In 1997, it was amended once more to regulate emissions from coal-fired power plants near national parks and wilderness areas. In 1990, the EPA released a report titled Policy Options to Consider for Strengthening the Clean Air Act, which outlined a number of recommendations for changes that could be made to the act to improve